Hello everyone. This video is about how to reset Darwinbox app password on your own. First step is please click on this icon, which is Darwinbox app icon, and which you have already installed in your phone. Then you can find two options. The first option is login with QR code, and the second option enter organization URL. The first uh, option login with QR code only works when you have already logged into your account from any other device. Maybe it is your desktop or laptop, which where you have already logged in, and from there you can scan the code so that you can log in on your phone without putting username and password. For that purpose, this login with QR code option would work. And the second option is enter organization URL. I have to go to this option, and then you can see here organization URL, which is register.darwinbox.in. Please ensure that you enter the same URL. And next option is this arrow, the right arrow, which you can see here. You have to click on this. You are offline, please check your internet connectivity. Okay. And the next, here you can see username, password. Username is either your employee ID or your email ID, which is already linked with your Darwinbox app, which is mentioned in your profile. The same you have to use for resetting your password. Please note, the registered email ID only works here. You cannot enter whichever mail IDs. If you have 2-3 mail IDs, personal mail IDs, you cannot use all those here. You have to ensure that you use only the registered email ID, which is registered with Darwinbox application in your profile. Now here I am using my employee ID. Scroll up. Here you can see the option forgot password. Please click on that forgot password. And the next step is, see here if you see, it is clearly mentioned that send email. So what does it mean? You have to use the email ID so that you can get the uh, link or OTP on your mail ID to reset the password. So remove this username here and put your registered email ID. It is clearly mentioned here, registered email ID. So I am entering my registered email ID. Here the send email option is not active. If you observe, the reason is my the email ID which I have mentioned, there are some gaps. After .com there is some space. Even after bharti dot, there is some space between dot and p, so it won't work. See here I am getting frequently used email because I have been using my email ID. So this is auto pop-up. I am clicking on this. So, and it is showing me p@sreshtaorganic.com. Okay, but still it is not working fine. Let me try again. The reason is the space is still here. See, now this send email option is active. Now because my email ID is correct, which I have entered here, it is the same which is registered in the Darwinbox app. So next I can click on the send email option. See this message, forgot password. It is a tick mark, in the sense the password reset option is working fine. And read this, email will be sent if the account is registered. So the email ID which I have entered, if that is registered, then I'll get an email on that mail ID on how to further proceed to reset the password. So now let me go to my mail ID and check whether I have any mails. This is 19 minutes before. Let me go to my inbox again. See, if you see here, this is the latest email I have got now from Shrestha HR. Let me open this mail. More details. This is the email ID, no reply at darwinbox.in to my registered mail ID. Registered mail ID, as I already said, it can be an official mail ID given by the company to you, or your personal mail ID which is registered in your Darwinbox application. Anything would work, because most of the employees, of all our employees, will not have the official mail ID of Shrestha. For them, you don't have to worry. Your personal email ID you can use, which is already registered with Darwinbox application. Now let's read this email. Dear user, you have requested to reset your password. To reset your password, please click here. This click here option is in hyperlink mode. So if you click on this, it will take you to the next page. For any queries, support, or if you have not requested for resetting your password, please contact your HR or admin. So this is how you get the email on your mail ID, registered mail ID. Let me click on this. Please click here option. So now I have got this dialog box where I can see open with Chrome, open with Darwinbox. I tried with open with Darwinbox, it was not working fine, so I am trying with Chrome now. Please select Chrome, or even in this Chrome place, if you have Mozilla, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, anything would work. It should take you to this page, and here I can set the password, and I can retype the same password and click on change. Then it should work properly. Here I want to tell you one more thing. In case if you are not landing in this page, then in the Google front page, the right side three dots you can see here. Please click on these three dots, and here you can find all these options. New tab. It is up to you which kind of options, up to your phone and the settings, etc. Here if you see on the bottom, I have one option called desktop site. You all will have this option. Please tick that. So now your phone would work like a web page, like a desktop or a laptop. So when I clicked on desktop to site, this page has become very short. Okay, but you please check that. If you are not able to land on this page, please choose this desktop site. If you are able to land, then you don't have to click on this desktop site. See, I have removed it now. You have to give a try once or twice until get used to this. Now I am able to land, so that's why I removed this desktop site option. Now I am resetting the password. Hope it works. Let me see here. See, the password is always minimum 8 characters, alphanumeric with special character, and it must be with one capital letter, one special character, and one numeric, and one small letter. So this is the criteria. The remaining you can set as per your wish, but the minimum characters should be 8. I am entering the same password again. Now I just clicked on change. It is in process, you can see here. So automatically the Google page is asking me to update my password. I did that. Here let me again enter my employee ID and the password which I have just reset. Sign in. I have just clicked on sign in. It didn't work. Let me try again. It is asking use saved password. I have just saved my uh, recent password, that is why it is asking me to use saved password, but still let me give a try why it is not working. Darwin @1234, and let me enter this captcha also. See, if you are not comfortable with the verification code displayed here, you can keep looking for a other verification codes which you can easily identify and which you can enter. I'll go with this: capital W, small d, small g, small o, small y, small m. Sign in. See, I am able to log in and my password is also reset. Now you'll find your own profile like this. As I said already, please click on these three dots and use desktop site option. You can tick on this. See, I have just ticked on it. Then it will work like a web page. How you can use this app in your laptop or a desktop, in the same way you can use in the mobile also. Or if you want, you can untick it. I just did that. See, I have unticked this desktop site option and it will be used as a mobile app. Again, I'll show you. Let me use this use saved password. I have used it and let me sign in. It is working fine. So this is how you have to reset the password. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Please follow this whenever you forgot your password or you don't remember, or you attempted multiple times with the wrong password, and then when your Darwinbox app is locked your access. In such cases, you please try and reset your password. If you are still facing any issue, if you are unable to do it, please share the video with me. Please take a video when you are trying to reset the password and share with me. Then I will definitely get it checked with the technical team of Darwinbox and I'll come back to you with a solution.